Looking for the best DJI drones? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 DJI drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, DJI Tello Boost Combo. Pros: simple design is great for beginners. 13 minutes of flight time. 720p HD video camera. Easy to perform tricks. Includes 3 batteries, battery charging hub, and 4 pairs of propellers. Cons: veteran drone flyers may not be impressed with this little model. Bottom line: between its extremely straightforward controls, high-resolution camera, and many self-preserving fail-safe features, the Tello is the perfect drone for kids and first-time drone pilots. At number 2, DJI Mavic Pro Quadcopter. Pros: it features the stable flight, excellent photo/video system, and obstacle detection of the Phantom 4 Pro in a portable package. Cons: the wind blows this little unit around more than larger DJI models, and that can interfere with photos and smooth video capabilities. Bottom line: an outstanding drone if you're in the market for a folding, portable unit that can take 4K video. At number 1, DJI Mavic Air. Pros: delivers 4K images. Steady shots thanks to 3-axis gimbal. Lots of photo and video options. Portable and easy to fly and control. Can stay airborne up to 21 minutes. Foldable design. Lots of storage. Cons: flight times per charge could be longer. Bottom line: a speedy drone that offers excellent speed and performance. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.